Well, welcome to the new video here. It is 2 o'clock and this is where we stand with the high. Doesn't look like we're gonna get anywhere cold, warmer today. Since actually been kind of hanging around this all fucking day. Like since like 1 o'clock. Yeah. We'll see where we can end up as a peak today, but yeah, I don't think it's gonna be. Oh, I think this is about as warm as it'll get. Maybe a couple tenths of a degree warmer, maybe up to minus 11.5, but I don't think any much warmer than that. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. Well, let's see how cool we can get tonight. There is a little bit of high cloud cover in place right now, but I won't see that as much of an issue in terms of cooling. It may hinder a slight bit compared to a completely clear night, obviously, but not too much. But if it gets thicker by any means, then yeah, probably, yeah. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys with the 4 o'clock update a little bit later on. Here's the forecast, 4 o'clock update. So, a little minus 17 instead of minus 19 for tonight. Minus 21 wind chill overnight. And then tomorrow, high of minus 9. The wind chill of minus 21 in the morning, minus 12 in the afternoon. Saturday night, minus 15 low. Still pretty cold there. And then Sunday, high of minus 6, then with a low of minus 13 and periods of snow Sunday night. It's pretty nice. And then Monday, high of minus 5 with periods of snow. See how much we can get from that. Yeah, let's hope we can get some decent accumulation out of it. And upwards of at least a couple inches, 5 centimeters or more. And then we scroll her down here. Beyond that, 6% chance of flurries Monday night to Tuesday, and then everything else is still the same beyond Monday. The last minus double digits is going to be Sunday night, and maybe Monday night, but we'll have to see how things go. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on tonight with temperature updates. Yeah. 7 o'clock. Now we're at minus 15 essentially. Dropping quite steadily. I don't think it's, well, not as rapid as yesterday. But she's definitely going down. I predict about minus 18 tonight. Before we hit that barrier. Yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys, well, I'll see you later on tonight with further temperature updates. Yeah. Well, it's the same as what it was at 7 o'clock, minus 4.7. I can't speak. Minus 14.7 degrees, same as it was at just after 7 o'clock. Yeah. Looks like that'll be around how we get tonight. I'll probably get a little bit colder. Probably will. But because the cloud cover that's in place. Yeah. It's going to be the one and lonely night this winter that we get at minus 20 or colder. Thursday night's going to be that one lonely night for the winter season that I'll get below minus 20. After below minus 20. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys maybe later on. Well, later on tonight with past conditions and potentially current temperatures here. Yeah. Well, thanks to cloud cover and probably some a little bit of a breeze. Doesn't matter what type of breeze, as long as there's a breeze, it can minimize cooling very slightly, even just slightly. But more than likely, it's just because of thick cloud cover in place. But it's warmed a decent bit. It's warmed about a degree or so. Looks like, well, we'll stay in the minus double digits all night, but it looks like we'll get to minus single digits as a high tomorrow. Well, today, I mean. Probably like the minus 6, minus 7 range, depending on how cloudy it stays the rest of the day. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. So I'll show you guys the past conditions before I head off to bed. And this is where we stand. Warmest I got yesterday was minus 10.5 at the airport. Dew point's been steadily increasing. Which in this instance, while the temperature is not, while the temperature is moderated a very slight bit. You see minus 14, minus 13.5, minus 13.6, and then you see it there. It's essentially moistening up a bit now. As the temperature warms very slightly, and the dew point increases. Yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys in the morning. Here's where we stand. Forecast update here. Minus 9 today is a high, and then that's it's already warmer than that. We got a low of minus 14 tonight either way, with a wind chill near minus 17. And then tomorrow we got a 40% chance of flurries, with a high of minus 8. And then Sunday night, periods of snow, with a low of minus 10. And then Monday, more periods of snow there, with a high of minus 5. And a low of minus 10 for Monday night. Yeah. So we'll get a little bit of snow out of this cold air we were receiving. Scroll down here. Tuesday we got a 6% chance of flurries, with a high of minus 3 and then a low of minus 7 Tuesday night. Then it gets above freezing there beginning Wednesday. 2 degrees there. And then from Wednesday night till Friday we got a 60% chance of flurries, with a high of plus 4 for Friday. Despite that. Yeah. I mean, Climate Prediction Center from the US is still hanging on some below normal temperatures beginning again later on this month. To end this month off, so we'll see. And then we got the weather now here. And they're pretty snowy as well. There's one thing if there's one thing Environment Canada would not agree on, it's gonna be snowy. Not a lot of snow, but it's just gonna be snowy. And attempts to get mountain snow days. As you can see here. Yeah. If we scroll down here. Yeah, there's a little bit of rain snow mixture you can see there, 22nd, 23rd, but it's mainly snow still. And you can actually see a little bit of a cool down there later on, but I don't know. What the CPC is saying, or Climate Prediction Center I should say, is saying that below normal temperatures 20th to the 27th or 26th, so we'll see. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll show you guys the current conditions here in just a little bit. Forgot to show you guys the past conditions at the airport here. As you can see, been pretty consistent. It was pretty consistent from 9 to midnight, from midnight to 9 there. And around minus 11, well, minus 12, minus 11. Well, more like minus 12, really, yeah. Yeah. I'll show you guys the current conditions here right now in just a moment. Yep. This is where we stand with the temperature. Minus 7. Essentially minus 7. Stayed around. Coldest it got was around minus 14 last night. I presume it got a little bit. I'm presuming it got hit a median at around minus 12, minus 13 before it started warming after sunrise. Yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. Well, here's the 4 o'clock update here. Obviously beyond like Monday here, nothing's really changed, so I'm just going to show this bit here. So we got a nice low of minus 13 tonight, and then a high of minus 6 tomorrow, with a 6% chance of flurries late in the morning and in the afternoon. Wind chill of minus 16 overnight and in the morning. Yeah, and then Sunday night we got a 40% chance of flurries in the evening, and after midnight then periods of snow beginning overnight. Got a couple centimeters there maybe. It's a low of minus 8. And then Monday, still periods of snow. And then Monday night, 40% chance of flurries with a low of minus 10. And then Tuesday, 6% chance of flurries with a high of minus 3. Everything else is essentially the same, excluding Sunday here. Some things have changed out of it. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys maybe later on tonight, if not tomorrow morning. And here's where we stand with the temperature right now. It's a nice little minus 11, it's a nice minus 11 degrees right now. Yeah, it'll be interesting to see where we end up tonight. Depending on the cloud cover, actually may warm up a little bit later on tonight, but yeah, based off the steady temperature, looks like it'll be around minus 11. I wouldn't be surprised, minus 10 to minus 12 the whole entire night, so yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on, maybe later on tonight, if not tomorrow morning. Well, as we can see here, it's essentially minus 12. See there with the low there so far in the past hour, minus 12, minus 11.9. Looks like we'll stick around minus 12. It'll be a very slow cooling through the night, as long as it's partly cloudy. Any cloudier, probably going to warm up. Any clearer, it's probably going to start cooling a little bit quicker. But yeah, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys in the morning. Holy shit. Like, the biggest holy shit so far this in a long ass while. Oh my god. I'm only going out this far because I want to get some measurements, so it's gonna go measure it right there. Holy shit. So much for a chance of flurries. Hard to see properly. There's a bunch of dust on this screen. fattiest flakes, man. Well, our first measurable snowfall since January 28th. It comes in a very spectacular fashion. Nothing like what the coast is getting, but this is good enough. Getting dumped on. Well, we're just getting our first snowfall in fucking a couple weeks. Such a fluffy snow. Oh, this is so good. Finally getting some good snow. It's been a good while. See, it's not sticking on the bins, and that's because of the very slightest bit of solar radiation. It's -4 right now, so just put that into perspective. It's -4. So it's definitely not melting just for the sake of it being above freezing. It's just it's melting because of stupid solar radiation crap. Still coming down. And yesterday we were just missing out on it. Penticton was getting all of it, and we weren't getting shit. And now we're getting this. Well, I won't instantly get a measurement here, but what I'll do is go back inside, show you guys the forecast, and then the current temperature, and then I'll get a measurement. And that should take all in about 10 minutes. If everything goes right. And don't drive like that. A northerly breeze and snow falling is going to keep the temperature down. Yeah. It looks like it's hitting its ending now. Well, it has been for a while, but it looks a lot more. Yeah. That was nice. Alright. Oh, jeez. Really fluffy snow. Very, very fluffy snow. Look at this. It's not sticking on the... You can tell. It's not sticking on the darker surfaces. But then it obviously is on the lighter surfaces. Yeah. Stupid toy. But yeah, I'll show you guys the forecast, current temperatures, and then I'll get a measurement and around the house. Yeah. Very impressed. For a 60% chance of flares, this is nice. Yeah. Alright, here's the forecast here. This is where we sit. So we got some flurries today. That actually just recently got changed. Localized 2 centimeters. Yep. And then tonight we got 40% chance of flurries this evening with periods of snow beginning near midnight. Another localized 2 centimeters there. Yep. And then tomorrow we got more periods of snow there with 2 to 4 centimeters. And another high of -4. And then this has actually changed. Periods of snow for Monday night now as well. And then as well as Tuesday, that's also changed. And now we got a 6% chance of flurries there. Quite a bit has changed from the 11 a.m. update and the 11:50 a.m. update. And this update here, which is 50 minutes fucking later. Yeah. Don't know what the hell happened in those 50 minutes, but it's just looking a lot snowier now. Like I could get this, but it's this here that's like, hold up, what? But yeah, we scroll her down here. You can see Tuesday night warm up a bit. high of 2 degrees there. Wednesday, first positive temperature there. And then Thursday, 1 degree with a 6% chance of flurries all Thursday there, as you can see. And then Friday, a high of 4 degrees, and then flurries or rain showers all Friday, 30% chance. And then Saturday, a high of 5 degrees and a 30% chance of flurries. Go figure. But yeah. So overall, it's going to go through this little bit of a snowy belt, and then we're right back to typical February weather. Yeah. Hopefully we'll see this cool down a little bit, like instead of 4, maybe 2, 3 degrees, instead of 5, maybe 3 degrees. Yeah. Like, those are more respectable than 5 degrees. And then we got the weather dynamic here. They got some decent snow for tomorrow, close to 5 centimeters there. And then pretty snowy there, but then you can see on Saturday, no, Sunday, yeah, it gets a little bit mixy with the rain, gets a little bit mixed in. They're holding off until next week, so essentially the weather looks a little bit on the snowier end of it, predicting a little bit more of a snowier belt. And then you can see here continued rain, snow mixing with a decent amount of snow as well, and rain and all that shit. Look at that. Close to 1 millimeters, 2 to 4 centimeters, close to 1 millimeters, 2 to 4 centimeters, close to 5 millimeters, 1 to 3 centimeters. And then you can see a nice cool down again. Nice little brief bit of colder air there again to end February off. This is going to be a wild fucking ride. I can see that already. Yeah. Well, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys with the current temperature right now in just a little bit. And then we'll head outside. Back outside. This is where we stand with the temperature right now. Sorry. Yeah. Essentially -4, but -3.7. Yeah. It's probably will get up to about -1 today. Opting that it stays where it is, and if it clears up even more. But yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys outside in just a little bit. Well, let's see if I can find a measurement now. Walk through all the snow and shit. Yeah. God, you gotta love solar radiation. Looks like about 1/2 a centimeter to 3/4 of a centimeter. I'll give it another check just down there. It's a little bit further down the sidewalk here. But yeah, it's a quick, hefty amount of snow. Hefty. This is a quick bit of snow there. Fucking hell. Yeah. About 1/2 a centimeter. I'm gonna stick with that. As you can see, melting on the grass and all the other surfaces. We can't even hold half a centimeter of snow anymore. Go figure. I'm gonna go shovel myself a pathway, and I'll be back with you guys. Breeze is definitely on the colder side. Yeah. It's so annoying when it's fucking below freezing and it wants to melt. Good light half a centimeter. Jesus. Yeah. I gotta sneeze. Oh, jeez. Well, half a centimeter to start. It's the first measurable snowfall since the 28th. Which, for Christ's sake, that's a bit sad. But it's more coming throughout the week. Next little while, so. You can see back there it's slightly melting. Yeah, you can see it along here. I mean, it always melts here, sunny or not. Yeah, look at that. It's a joke. We need a good, decent, hefty snowfall all day with no sun. Blocked by the sun. With the clouds blocking the sun, because unless that happens, it just melts. I mean, whatever, it's half a centimeter. I don't really give too much of a shit. But it's annoying, though, at the same time. Although, I'll say it again, something to do with the fact this absorbs a lot more solar radiation than it feeds it off. I don't know, because look how it's all melted. Not melted here, but well, barely. You can see the edges are starting to, but there's nothing here. And then conveniently, as soon as you get, it's interesting. Oh, yeah, nice little fluffy snow, and then now the sun's gonna come out. But yeah, I'll I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today at some point. Yeah. Well, that's where it's now at. But minus 2.8 still rising. It's 136. Yeah. This is looking like absolute garbage. Yeah, most of the snow's melted already. Well, the half a centimeter of snow is melted already. And more so because of the sun and its radiation than because obviously the temperature. Yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on today. Alright, so this is what the 4 o'clock forecast has in store. So a good couple things have changed. We got 40% chance of flurries this evening. That hasn't changed, with periods of snow beginning near midnight. I don't believe that has changed. And then localized 2 centimeters, that has not changed. Low -8. And then tomorrow we got periods of snow at 5 centimeters. That has changed, up from 2 to 4 centimeters. Low of -3, high of -3 there, sorry. And then Monday night's changed from periods of snow to a 60% chance of flurries. And then Tuesday is still the same, 40% chance of flurries. And then Tuesday night now has a 40% chance of flurries. Yeah. We'll see how things end up evolving. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys later on tonight, probably. This is where we stand with the temperature. -6. Yeah. It is actually currently snowing right now. So I'll be showing you guys outside in just a little bit here. But yeah. I'll see you guys outside in just a little bit here. Yep. Very, very lightly snowing, as you can tell. It's very light. Now let's see how much we're at. It's not measurable yet. Well, actually. Well, for the sake of it, I'll count it as 2/10 of a centimeter. Because I'm not heading back outside later, so. Yeah. It's the finest flakes too. It's not even flakes, it's like pellets. I'm out of focus. Yeah. I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys actually a little bit later on. There has been an emergency update from Environment Canada, so yeah. See you guys then. Well, I didn't realize it was still snowing, but I guess I'll do a measurement anyways. I wasn't going to, but I thought it stopped.
It's like either 0.2 or 3 centimeters. Looks like 0.3. And since it's still snowing, it's still the ongoing round of snow. Yeah. Damn time, I'm trying to measure. Get snow on me. Yeah. Well, I'll leave you guys with that. I'll see you guys in the morning. Well, actually, I'll see you guys with the forecast that was updated a while ago. Yeah. And this is what was updated here. It wasn't too much, but tonight it's now appears to snow in low quantities 2 centimeters. So yeah, it's not much. Obviously, it's not a big update by any means, but it's an update, bringing some accumulation for tonight. That was initially brought down earlier on yesterday. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the morning. See how much snow's on the ground then.